Hi class, my name is Garrett Lytle, and this is my new promotional strategy for the clothing store. Um, so my first promotion would be social media influence. As many of us probably know, that it's changed a lot from COVID. The new strategy has been a lot of social media promoting and marketing. You see a lot of people online promoting the clothing brand, so I think that would be very smart to do. Um, Sellers want effective cost, and the buyers want effective shopping experience with effective cost. So this retail clothing store would have to transition to a hybrid store. Um, Half of it would be online, a strong presence, especially if a lot of the customers are buying online. It's important to show off what you're showcasing as well. Um, Ads on the clothing brand would be very important on the social media apps such as like Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat. It would help reach more of the targeted audience if that's who we're targeting, would be like clothing. A lot of people shop on clothing on Instagram or Facebook, etc. It's important also to show our brand, and it would be shown through images and promotions, which would create more customers and hopefully satisfy existing ones. My second task of my new promotional strategy for the clothing store would be SMS marketing. It's similar to social media, but it's more direct, um, especially with lasting customers. You can send them rewards and promotions from the clothing store on their mobile device. People are always checking their phone. I know that. So I think this would be very effective in reaching many people. And then also sharing the experience of customers is a great channel of promoting products while creating new customers. It shows off what you have and people that actually like it. And don't lose focus of existing customers. I feel like that happens a lot. Companies are pushing to get more and more, but then they just kind of leave the people that have been there, and I don't think that's very effective. So you want to offer those people that have been there for a while promotions and products on special occasions to keep them interested in your company. And also, people I feel like who've been there longer are going to be more, what's the word? More direct with your company because they know what you offer and they've had your product before. Um, and then get feedback from its customers on our products is important. See what we need to change or fix. People like our clothing brand, and that pretty much ends it. Customers are brand ambassadors; they help us influence. So we want to make sure we are being um, getting new brand ambassadors, um, and it helps make new customers. It's important to use what I talked about um, just to keep our business effective, and we'll create new customers and satisfy our existing ones. Thank you.